Here in your extreme weather outlook, we'll be tracking some heavy rain in the southeast over the next few days. That could lead to a little bit of flooding. We're also looking ahead to early May, which could be warm out west and still a bit on the cool side around the Great Lakes and the eastern U.S. And look at Minneapolis, Minnesota from this early Sunday morning. This is a day after we hit our first 60-degree of 2018, our first 60-degree high since Thanksgiving. So that's pretty impressive. And you think back to a week ago when we had blizzard warnings and anywhere from 10 to almost 20 inches of snow in and around the Twin Cities metro. So that snow with the very strong April sunshine, which is about as strong as mid-August now. Well, that snow has been dwindled down to about an inch as of yesterday morning. 26 inches still in the ground, though, at Marquette, Michigan. So today there is a marginal risk of severe weather down over the Gulf Coast states. Tomorrow turns into just a general thunderstorm threat and then back up into the mid-Atlantic states. Meanwhile, there may be a few thunderstorms along the front range of the Rockies. But here's that storm system. You can see it very slowly churning across the Gulf Coast region. Again, there will be some locally heavy downpours with this over the next 2 to 3 days. And again, maybe a few strong thunderstorms this afternoon. But because of that slow movement, we'll take a lot of the moisture from the Gulf of Mexico and kind of just slowly push it east. So by Monday night into Tuesday, we're talking about that setting up over the mid-Atlantic states. And through Tuesday, 7 p.m., maybe 2 to 4 inches of rain that could lead to a little bit of flooding within these areas. Meanwhile, another storm system will be moving into the high plains and through the Rockies. There could actually be a little bit of snow. We're not talking about much in the lower elevations, but through the high elevations of the mountains, there could be enough to shovel and plow there. Temperatures here, again, Minneapolis will be warming up to 62. That'll be our second consecutive 60, 93 in Phoenix and 80 in Los Angeles. The warmer air is in place to the south and west, and our extended outlook into early May continues the warm air there, but cooling off again in the east.